Hi, David. It's Carol. This is at mycwi.cc, so I think you start here. And I know mine says employee up here, but don't regard that. So when I go to the toolkit, I have to scroll down here to toolkit. And then toolkit for students. I'm not sure if yours looks the same, but I'm hoping it does. And then go down to plan and register. All right. And plan and register. So I think this one gives you an update, but this is where I'm looking at where I'd like you to go to get your degree plan. And so I think when you click this, it should, so I don't have a degree, but I think it should show your degree, and then it should have like semesters right here where you can click and add classes to. And I'm sorry I don't have a better interface. I don't have any data to load because I don't have a major, but could you try that and see if that helps you plan it out? And so my goal is really that you just are familiar with planning and how to use this My Progress and plan your schedule. I just want you to know how to use these tools in here, and unfortunately mine doesn't really show anything. I think when I went here, maybe view your progress, I was able to look at classes. No, that wasn't it. But anyway, this is the part where I would just like you to spend some time and get familiar with it. Check it out, and then let me know if you're able to sort of, it should come up where it has each semester, and then you're able to like click and add classes. And so you can kind of create a plan, and then just screenshot this with some courses and some semesters. So I just know that you spent a little time in here. All right, that's all I have for you. Let me know if that